playground rules for survival. Let's play. Oh, dear, did you forget about time while you were playing? It's alright. I know how much fun the playground is. Do you want to play a game with me? There are some rules you need to follow. Is that alright, dear? Rule 1. If you see a white angelic being from the corner of your eye, give them a smile. I sent them there to protect you. Rule 2. Now listen close, dear. It's important that you do not leave the playground. I know you might get scared. It's dark and cold and you want to go home, but if you leave the playground, you'll lose the game and the bad guys will get you. Rule 3. If you haven't left, you should be able to see a silhouette of a person. His name is Matthew. He's there to help you win the game. Don't be scared. Stay close to him at all times. Rule 4. Never go on the slide. If you do, you'll never be able to come out. Don't you want to be able to go home? Don't you want to play the game? Rule 5. Sing. Anything sweet. It keeps them at bay. If you feel your throat drying up, sing to Matthew. Stand guard against any unwanted players. That's it, my dear. We can play the game now. How about hide and seek? You hide, I'll seek.